Kid, if you're struggling with push-ups, try this progression exercise.
This video is misleading. It's a chest workout. What are you doing? Just go straight up into whatever it is. Alright, Paul is here again. Alright, if you're new here, welcome. Thank you for clicking this video. If you're not new, welcome back. Please remember to like this video, share and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Okay, so for today we're going to be analyzing the video. I'm going to be telling you my thoughts. Listen guys, you do not have to take my thoughts, even his thoughts. You can ignore everything, or you can take from both. Put down in the comment whatever you agree, whatever you disagree with, and let's get right into it.
Kid, if you're struggling with push-ups, try these progression exercises. We're gonna start with the easiest one and work our way up. The first one is the upright wall push-up. Just take one step back from the wall and start doing your push-ups just like this. Now we have level 2, which is the 45-degree wall push-up, just like this. Then level 3, we have incline knee push-ups. Level 4 is the regular incline push-up. Level 5 is a flat knee push-up, and if you want to use a wider grip, it will help. At level 6, you're doing regular push-ups. Congrats, King.
Okay, first up, what is the purpose of that video? The purpose of the video is to teach you how to progress into a regular flat level push-up, okay? And what is the flat level push-up? This variation of the push-up is just like the flat bench press, using a barbell or a dumbbell, okay? It is one of the best exercises for your pec muscles because it targets all 3 parts of your chest, making you have a fuller, stronger chest muscle, okay? To progress in this exercise, like every other exercise, you have to start light, get accustomed to it, and then progress gradually. How do you do this with the flat bench press? Using the barbell, you want to start very light. Some people start with just the bar, just like I did, 7.5 kilos. And some people, because their natural strength is a little bit higher, they start with maybe 1 or 2 plates. I don't know, okay? And then using the dumbbell, if that's what you prefer. Some people start with 5 kilos, some people start with 10 kilos, whatever it is. But the idea is to start light and then progress higher. Now with the push-up, you are basically pushing your weight. I think the push-up is about 85% of your body weight. Now, because you're not strong enough to push 85% of your body weight yet, you need to get stronger. Now, how can you lessen that load? All you need to do is bring your knees closer, and the stronger you get, you can now progress, okay? If the knee variation is, the knee push-up is too hard for you, then you want to practice the eccentric movement alone. You start like this, and then you slowly go down, 3 seconds or 5 seconds, and then once you're down, you pick up yourself again, and then you start again, slowly, okay? Just train the eccentric first, okay? Do about 10 sets, and then 10 sets, do about 10 reps, and then practice, get stronger. Going back to the video, here's level 1 and 2. Basically, they are both shoulder workout, right? Let's just say for argument's sake, it's the upper chest. Now, you spend weeks practicing getting stronger in the upper chest. Remember, you need all 3 muscles, so even if the top chest is strong enough, if the other 2 cannot support, you cannot still do a push-up. So why waste weeks and time doing just the upper chest? Now, look at his level 3 and 4. Perfect exercise, very good. But that is also for the lower chest. You're just going to spend weeks getting stronger there. But remember, if all 3 heads are not equally strong, you cannot do a push-up. So what do I suggest? Go straight to level 5, knees push-up. Okay, try it. And then if you're not still strong enough for the knees, you can just do the knee push-up, but just the eccentric part. Okay, and then go on, progress into the knee push-up, and then you can now progress, just like he said. The wide grip, maybe, I don't know, do whatever you like. Okay, then from there you can go into the normal flat level push-up. Basically, generally, you need all 3 of the muscles to be able to do a good push-up, right? So, thank you for watching. Let me know what you think. If you do have any video ideas you want me to talk about next time, please put it down in the comment. Follow me on Instagram. If you like what you've heard, please put it down in the comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.